Good morning to all respected professor and my classmate, everybody present here. My name is Manish Verma. I am a student of BTech at Semester Production and Industrial Engineering, University Department, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Today I am here presenting topic my seminar presentation of sustainable manufacturing under the guidance of B.D. Gidwani sir. Let's start with the first slide. These are the topic of my seminar, sustainable manufacturing. First, what is the sustainable manufacturing? Decision makers focus on triple bottom line and address the triple pillar: sustainability, social responsibility, economic consideration, environmental or impact. Next, three pillars of sustainability model. Next, sustainable manufacturing. Sustainability is not only central to business strategy, but it will increasing become a critical drive of business growth. How well and how quickly business respond to this agenda will determine which company succeed, exit, will be fail. Next, as sustainable manufacturing takes hold across the country and demand will grow for employees who can identify waste, conserve resources, prevent pollution. Next, who do employers see value in a green workforce? It's simple. The less money manufacturing is spent on wasting energy, water, and raw material and time. What are green jobs? Manufacturing engaged in sustainability are looking to create green jobs that provide products that use renewable energy resource, reduce pollution, conserve energy and natural resource, and conserve wastage. Next, green job study. Strategy of for developing a green work include evaluating the current workforce knowledge gap and identify training programs to meet industry needs. Next, evaluation of sustainable manufacturing. Next, environmental justice. Cause of environmental justice: a combined lack of environmental awareness, political influence, and economic power make impoverished and minority community to become a frequent larger for environmentally activities. Sustainable manufacturing, we might not have made it without committed to sustainability. It is a visual identity of success, and this new paradigm has a name: doing well, good, look good. It is a better way to bigger profit. Advantage of sustainable manufacturing: lower environmental impact, guarantee for better future, greater access to financing and capital. Disadvantage of sustainable manufacturing: cost, more requirement, and employment in some areas. Execution.
What are the examples of sustainable manufacturing?
Cutting fuel and used extensively in metal machining process to remove and reduce the heat during the machine operation. The use of cutting fluid greatly enhance the machining quality, will reduce the cost of machining by extending tool life. Thank you.